A lot of people have been asking me, Mr. Ayo, how can we be able to run Twitter ads or X ads in 2024 from Africa, Nigeria, or anywhere you are in the world? Then here is my answer in form of a video. Now, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification icon. Okay, I remain your person now. Do that right now. Now, in this video, I am going to be explaining the introduction to Twitter or X ads and everything you need to know and get ready for should in case you want to run Twitter ads in 2024. Now, it is known to us that you can be able to make money through monetization on Twitter or X platform, and by so doing, a lot of people find it very challenging to be able to promote their Twitter profile to get that 500 followers. Understand? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the technique at the end of this video on how you can even be able to copy your profile link and be able to promote it to get more followers should in case you don't even see followers in the ad objective whenever you are trying to run Twitter ads. Then if you have any problem in paying for Twitter ads, or any problem with anything, Twitter Blue payment or whatever, or any problem with following anything you see on this video, of course you can chat me on WhatsApp using that link under this video. Under this video, you are going to see a WhatsApp link that is going to say contact us. Just click on that link, you get into my WhatsApp, you can be able to speak to me, you even hear my voice. I have no fear about that, but I might not be able to give you anything for free should in case you want to do consultation with me. Do you understand? So I can be able to help you and solve any problem you are having your Twitter or X ads. Let's get straight into it without further ado. Too much talk, no the full basket. If you are trying to run Twitter advertising, which is Twitter ads, to gain more Twitter followers or X followers, as we all know the new name to be, then you should follow these steps. And there are some things you have to get ready for whenever you are trying to run Twitter ads. The first thing first is you go to twitter.com. do you understand? And this is the homepage of my Twitter account. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you want to run Twitter ads and to be eligible to do that is to subscribe to Twitter Blue, which is, you are going to see something on the homepage here, and you can see subscribe to premium, subscribe to unlock new features, and if eligible, receive a share of ads revenue. Do you understand? Now, if I click on this subscribe button right now, you are going to see that we have different package, which is that for an individual and that for the organization. Now, the one you want to choose is, you're going to click on individual, and if I click on subscribe right now, this is just the demo and to prepare your mind for what you are about to do whenever you are trying to run your Twitter ad. So don't forget, so you have to subscribe to Twitter Blue, and we have the basic, which is 1,222 per month. We have the one of 3,208 per month, and we have the one of 6,416 naira, premium plus per month. Do you understand? So you want to make sure that you subscribe to either one of these, do you understand, for you to be able to run Twitter ads. Then the second thing you need to ready yourself for whenever you are trying to run Twitter ads, let's go back to the home page right now. Once you go back to your home page and you click on your profile, you want to make sure that you have a very good banner. Do you understand? That is, your cover photo must be well, everything must be well set. Your profile picture must be there. Now, this account that you are seeing is a demo which I've been using to teach how to run Twitter ads on this channel. Do you understand? Fully verified, just because I need to show you guys. So this is not my real account, but this is one of my accounts. Do you understand? So once you do this, and you want to make sure that you set up your bio and you put a very good website on your bio. Do you understand? So should in case Twitter wants to verify that you are a very good business or you are a genuine business, they can be able to check out your link and see that your website correspond with your bio, and your bio correspond with what you post on your Twitter profile. Do you understand? So you want to make sure that you set that professionally. Now, the second thing you want to do is, you are going to see on the left hand side right now, you can see home, explore, notifications, messages, grok, list, profile, and more. Now, what you want to do right now is you're going to click on more. Now, once you click on more, you're going to see premium, bookmarks. Let's just say maybe you have subscribed for this premium, you understand? So you go to ads, you're going to see ads here, and the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on ads. Now the moment you click on ads manager will show, which I have my own ads manager here. Do you understand? I have my own ads manager. Now the reason why it's showing all this, let me try and check out, you know, the history of this place so that you can be able to see that how right now I've been able to spend over $73 in total on this account, with the, you know, with 66,139 impressions. So I've been able to use this Twitter account to run ads. Then, do you understand? Especially, you know, whenever I want to do example for those who I teach, I do practical examples. Do you understand? So I'm just trying to let you know an introduction to Twitter ads or X ads in 2024. So once you see my ads manager right now, you can see it. These are the list of the ads I've been able to create. Now if you get into your ads manager right now, you are not going to see your dashboard directly like this because you are new to Twitter ads. You are just trying to set Twitter ads. So you are going to see something like, which kind of ad do you want to create? Do you want to use the professional mode or the simple mode? Do you understand? So what you should just do is try to create a demo ad. Now for those of you who are finding it hard to navigate on Twitter ads, I have a special kind of training mentorship whereby I will be able to hold you by the hands and tell you this is what you need to do, this is what you need. That's a special one. So you can chat me using the WhatsApp link in the description box, or that which I pin in the comment section, or probably if you see a number on the screen right now, you can type it, save it, and chat me now on WhatsApp. It's not for free. Do you understand? I can be able to guide you on everything, especially the payment method, how to subscribe for your Twitter Blue. If you're having problem with it, just come to me. And if you want to buy a Twitter account, you want me to help you create it, verify it, and you pay for it, no problem. It's expensive, but I can give you a very genuine one, including LinkedIn account. Do you understand? So just know that. So now you're going to see your ads account. So another thing you want to make sure that you get ready for, you know, whenever you try to get into your dashboard, you cannot just create an ads just like that, okay? Because you are not going to pay them with stones or just with ordinary blank air. Do you understand? You have to pay them in cash, and that is where you having the correct cards that can be able to make payment for Twitter ads comes in. Do you understand? So you have to go to, if I click on this my name and I click on, just click on billing history. If I click on billing history, let's just be, you can see this. Do you understand? You can see we have a current balance. You can see we have a current balance of $18, which I'm to pay. Do you understand? I've been able to pay a bill of $9.14 before, and this is my card being added successfully. So you want to make sure that you have a card that can be added successfully to your X ads or Twitter ads. Do you understand? And which is one of the great challenges a lot of people are facing in Nigeria. Don't worry, you can chat me on WhatsApp also if you want to discover the card that work with Twitter ads or X ads. Do you understand? I can be able to show you the current one that works as of now. I have different cards, up to like probably 2 or 3 that works for this. So sometimes, do you understand, the thing used to fall onto it. If I tell you one right now, the thing can just shift to another one, and you know, you just discover that that one is not working. And I don't want to sound, you know, like I'm not genuine here. So just come to me, I will put you through, add it as a bonus to Twitter Blue mentorship, or probably Twitter ads mentorship you want, and I'll be able to reveal it to you. That's not a problem. Do you understand? If you like it, if you don't like it, so that is it. So the next thing you want to do, so we have our ads dashboard right now. I've gone back to the ad dashboard. If I click on campaign here, you can see my cursor, and I click on create campaign, you are going to see that they are going to give us a list of ads that we can be able to, you know, run. And this is what I was talking about. Choose a campaign, simple or advanced. New to Twitter ads or X ads, this is what you are going to see first. So you click on advanced and you click on next, because advanced give you more features to target and more things to play with. Do you understand? Especially if you want to reach people who are very serious. Now you're going to see in this place that, especially if you want to get more followers, for those who want to monetize their account, because that follower stuff is one of the most challenging stuff. Do you understand? You can see that we have reach, video views, pre-roll views, app installs, website traffic, app re-engagement, sales, keywords. We don't have Twitter followers here. We don't have an objective to get more followers on Twitter here. Twitter has removed it, or X has removed it. Do you understand? Maybe probably because of the 500 monetization limit, so they know a lot of people might abuse this thing. Do you understand? But don't fret. Do you understand? Unlike before that I thought about it on this channel, do you understand? You are going to see the picture right here on the screen. I thought about it and it was there before, but now it's not there. So another way you can be able to promote your Twitter profile to get more followers, should in case you want to do that, you understand, just to ready your mind, is you have to go to your profile. So especially for those of you who want to share your profile link, you want to be able to copy your profile link, probably to run this same Twitter ads that I want to tell you. Do you understand? This strategy that I want to tell you, this secret I want to show you right now, or you want to be able to share it to people, other people, to get that 500 followers or to promote your account, is whenever you are on laptop, you are going to see this place. Do you understand? When you get to your profile, and you're going to see in the web browser here, if I click here, you're going to see twitter.com/my profile name. So what you just need to do is select all and copy. Boom. Now immediately you copy, you can go back to this ads manager and run a campaign, probably for video views or reach, or you run a campaign that is all about website traffic. Do you understand? Website traffic, video views or reach, and you'll be able to place your profile link in the web address whenever you get to that place where they tell you to upload a picture you want to use for your X ads or Twitter ads. Do you understand? And put it there, so when people click on it, they will be able to head over to your page. Now if I should click on that link, let me just check out the link and let's paste it. Let's go to the link right now. You are going to see that this is going to take us to that same profile. So this is how to copy your Twitter profile link, should in case you want to promote it. So once you are able to get all these things, your mind ready for all these things, do you understand, then the main thing is you going for the full training on how you can be able to run the Twitter ads. And I have a particular full course about, because I don't want this video to be too long. So for those of you who are interested in that, do you understand, I have a paid mentor which I will guide you generally. It's not free. Contact me, use that WhatsApp link, use that WhatsApp number, and I will be able to guide you fully. And see you in the next video. Thank you.